Hello everyone, Namaste. In matters of heart, when a person develops feelings for you, when they begin to feel a connection towards you, then a point comes where they need to express these feelings to you. So they propose. In that case, if you are reciprocating their feelings, if you feel the same way for them, then it's a goody-goody situation, a happy situation. But you might also not have those feelings for them, and there might arise a need where you need to say no to them. What can you say in that situation so that emotions of both sides are taken care of? I am here to tell you this. So, when somebody confesses their feelings towards you, to you, or somebody proposes to you to marry you, and your answer is no, you can say what I am going to say now and mean it when you say it. You can say something like, "It is always good to know that a person loves you and wants you to be their life partner. I am honored. I respect your feelings. For some reason, we cannot take this any further. And for the future, I wish that you find a life partner who offers you mutual feelings, and may you stay together with them and experience a life of love with them. Wish you all the best." After saying this, if you want to share the reason why you are saying no to them, you can do that. The reason might be anything, like you might be with someone, or it might be something else, some barriers like caste or religion, age, or some other reason. If you do not want to share this reason with them, then also it's fine. It's your call. But do remember that if you are sharing the reason with them, that why you are saying no to them, then that might lead to a conversation ahead, which might also lead to some emotions. In that case, you will have to stay for that conversation and take care of those emotions, be it yours or theirs. I also want to share with you that even if you are saying no to someone, that does not make you a bad guy. Also, that does not make you any higher to the person you are saying no to. Always keep this in your mind, in your heart. Be gentle. If you want to say anything to me, or if you want to comment anything on this video, you can write down in the YouTube comment box below. You can visit my website also, theaditigupta.com, theaditigupta.com. I pray to this universe that it always keeps you happy, healthy, and prosperous, and may you stay close to Mother Nature always. With this is Aditi Gupta signing off. Thank you.